morning students. How are you? I hope you all are well. So students, in today's English class we will discuss about collective noun. As you know, we have already done revision of proper noun and common noun. And in today's English class we will do collective noun. So as you know students, some nouns name a group और कलेक्शन ऑफ पीपल, एनिमल और थिंग. कुछ नाउन्स ऐसे होते हैं जो ग्रुप को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, राइट. दीज आर कॉल्ड कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. इनको क्या कहते हैं? कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. एज द नेम इज शोइंग, दिस इज अ कलेक्शन, फाइन, कलेक्शन ऑफ ग्रुप, collection of a group of animal or things, or we can say the group, right. It can be a group of people, group of animals, insect or anything. In our book, page number 92, some examples of collective nouns are there. In that, groups of people, the first group of peoples are there, after that group of animals and insect also there, groups of thing. So first students, as I want to tell you here, group of people. So here gang, a gang of thieves or a gang of robbers, right. A team of players, a regiment of soldier, a band of musicians, a crowd of people, a troop of artists, an army of soldier. Group of animal and insect, if you will talk about that, a herd of cows, a herd of goats, a herd of deer, fine, a flock of sheep, a flock of birds, a shoal of fish, a school of fish, a pack of wolves, a pack of dogs. So all these are collective nouns. What you will do, you will have to learn all the collective nouns from the page number 92. Collective nouns are always treated as singular noun, right. How? I will tell you here in a sentence. The bunch of keys, right. The bunch of keys is missing. The bunch of keys is missing. Students, here keys, if you will see, it's a plural, but I already told you that collective noun always treated as singular. So here we are using singular verb, right, is. Fine. Next we will see concrete noun and abstract noun. Fine. Concrete noun, concrete nouns, concrete and abstract noun. Abstract nouns. First here I want to tell you, a concrete nouns name a person, animal, place or thing that you can experience with your five senses. Means you can touch, you can taste, or you can smell also. Fine. So here example are given in your book: flowers, rain, books. It means if I will say this is a book and I can touch this book also and I can see also, it means this is a concrete noun. ये क्या है आपका? Concrete noun है. Fine. In another way, abstract noun. Abstract noun means the things that we can only feel and experience them. जिनको हम केवल feel कर सकते हैं, experience कर सकते हैं उनका. We can't touch them, we can't see them. हम उनको देख नहीं सकते, हम उनको touch नहीं कर सकते, but उनको feel कर सकते हैं. For example, if I will say to you bravery, B-R-A-V-E-R-Y, bravery, kindness, kindness. One more, if I will say honesty, right, anger, fine, beauty. So all these are example of abstract noun. ये सारे क्या है? Example है किसके? Abstract noun के, right. The soldier were rewarded for their bravery. सोल्जर को रिवार्ड किया गया, मीन्स इनाम दिया गया, किसके लिए? बहादुरी के लिए, ब्रेवरी. सो ब्रेवरी इज एन abstract noun. Fine. Next, roses are known for their beauty. Beauty is also an abstract noun. The wrestler showed great strength. Great strength means ताकत. तो यहाँ पर strength क्या है आपकी? Abstract noun. Fine. In the above sentences, the underlined words are concrete noun. अगर हम बात करें soldiers, right? Soldiers, that is concrete noun. Fine. Roses, that is also concrete noun. One more, if I will say wrestler, that is also concrete noun. Clear? So we can say these are concrete nouns. Fine. And these are our abstract noun. So clear, students? Now it is all these are abstract noun and these are concrete noun. Fine. Next we will move how we will form from adjective and from verb and some from common noun. Here in your book, page number 93, formation of abstract noun is there. We can form abstract noun from adjective. Here I am going to write adjective, and that how we will form abstract noun. Abstract noun. Here kind is here. Kind is here as an adjective. Students, here I want to tell you what is an adjective. Adjective is a word that tells more about noun or pronoun. जो हमें noun और pronoun के बारे में और अधिक बताता है, that is called adjective. Fine. How we will see? From an adjective we will form abstract noun. Kind, kindness. Right? So here kind, kindness. Brave, bravery. Fine. Happy, happiness. Happy, happiness. So in this way we can form from an adjective to an abstract noun. Clear? Next, if we will see some from verbs, how we will form from verb. Abstract noun. For example, know. This is our verb, and knowledge, K-N-O-L-E-D-G-E. Knowledge, that is our abstract noun. Judge, J-U-D-Z, as a verb, and judgment. So in this way that we can form from verb to an abstract noun. Fine, students. From some common noun also: friend, friendship, child, childhood, and slave, slavery. Nouns with the following suffixes are often abstract. For example, we can add some suffixes, and in that way that we can make abstract noun. Clear? Some suffixes here in our book, page number 94. T-I-O-N. Suffixes are, students, the word that we add, or some letters that we add at the end of a word. For example, T-I-O-N. Attraction, A-T-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Clear? Meant. Punishment, punishment. Fine. The word that we add at the end of a word, it means it is suffixes, and when we add prefix, you know, for example, like, and we will add this, it means this is here as a prefix, so dislike. Clear, students? In this way we have some suffixes also in our book, page number 94. NES, hardness, blindness, wastage, marriage, excellence, innocence, friendship, hardship, privacy. All these are nouns with the following suffixes are often abstract. Clear? So what you will do, students? We have revised all types of noun. Fine. So this is all about today. What you will do, I will send you a worksheet. In that worksheet you have to solve, means first you have to learn all the collective noun that is given in your book, page number 92. Fine. When you will learn, then you will do the worksheet that I will send. In that worksheet it will be like that. For example, here a blank of robbers. Fine. So you have to choose from the help box and you will fill a gang of robber. Robbers का क्या होता है? Gang. Right? So what you will do? You will fill all the collective nouns in your worksheet and you have to find out. I will send you some abstract and concrete noun also. In front of that you have to write concrete is concrete noun, and if you find that is abstract noun, you will write abstract noun. Fine. This is all about today in English class. Fine student, if you have any doubt or any query, you can send me a message or you can call me. Fine. Thank you students and have a nice day.